Hello, I am Dr. Che and you're watching my YouTube channel. In this video, we will talk about topic specific vocabulary. Topic is art and this is video number 6. And this is English vocabulary for any learner of English, especially for IELTS and TOEFL students. So please look at description box for updates and link to my Facebook group. Subscribe, like and comment to encourage me please to make more videos. Share to help others and subscribe please and press the bell icon to get more videos on grammar, writing, speaking, listening and reading, all of these modules. So as you know, I have covered more than 27 common topics of IELTS or TOEFL uh, test and of our daily life or real life. And you know, you need to open the playlist of my channel and watch the complete course in order. The link is given below in the description box. State of the art. State of the art is an adjective. Look at the hyphens. Hyphens are very important. State of the art is an adjective. Its synonyms are something that is latest, something that is up to date. But high level is, instead of latest, high level is state of the art. A product or technology that is very advanced and modern. This is modern and important. Spelling is important for listening. Pattern, modern is important for listening. Latest and up to date something, especially technology or a product or a gadget, something like that. Collocations are very important for state of the art. State of the art facilities, state of the art equipment, state of the art technology. What is the plural form of equipment? Equipments with S? No. Oh, very good. Equipment is singular or plural, both form is same. Other collocation is state of the art computer or state of the art gadget. Do you have a state of the art gadget where you are watching my course? Oh, state of the art. Okay. Example sentences. The Chinese doctors used state of the art medical equipment. Use the state of the art medical equipment because there is specific equipment to fight against COVID-19, to fight against coronavirus. Okay, instead of only saying they used good medical equipment, if you other student use state of the art medical equipment, no, this student will of course get higher band score. Modern drones are use state of the art technology and hit the target with precision. Precision is a very good word. State of the art technology, not only technology, state of the art technology, not modern technology, state of the art technology, high level vocabulary. The facilities in the IT department of Oxford University are state of the art. Look at the difference here. When it is used before noun, it comes with an hyphens, but if it is not with noun, it is without hyphen. Look at the use of hyphen. We use it before noun, and then we use hyphen if if state of the art and noun is not are not joined, then no hyphen is used. Arts and crafts, these are used together and this is a noun. It means arts and crafts. It means skills of making objects of daily use and decorations, not by machine, by hand. This is arts and crafts. Like you remember craftsmanship. Okay, this is arts and crafts. Handcrafting of cloth, jewelry, furniture, pottery. Pottery is also important word for spelling. Example sentences. The museum has a vast collection of, has a wide range of, has a variety of, okay, local arts and crafts. Indian indigenous arts and crafts are popular among international tourists, Indian or Italian international tourists. Okay, indigenous is, you know what is meaning of indigenous? Indigenous is something that is of particular area and it is not brought from other place. That is native. Native. Souvenir. If in your speaking exam the examiner asks, describe a souvenir that you bought that you bought ever in your life, so don't look at the examiner with opened eyes. What is souvenir? Okay, you need to know what is souvenir, that so that you can answer it. Okay, souvenir and its plural form is souvenirs is a noun. Its collocation is a souvenir shop. Something interesting, something that is interesting that you buy to remind yourself of a holiday or to remind yourself of a place or an occasion. This thing is called souvenir. John bought a model of Burj Al Khalifa as a souvenir of his trip to Dubai. A wide range of, what are other words? Wide range of, a vast collection of, okay, a variety of. Indigenous. You know what is meaning of indigenous? Other time is here. Okay, I will explain in later video also. Indigenous souvenirs were on sale in summer holidays. In the summer holidays. Contemporary. You know what is meaning of contemporary? I have already explained in one of the slides. Contemporary is an adjective. It means something that is of these days, of modern, that is coexisting, that is concurrent. Okay, it means anything that is of present time or belongs to the same time. Collocations are very important with contemporary. It can be a contemporary art, it can be a contemporary music, it can be a contemporary fashion, or we say contemporary media. Okay, example sentences are very important. The new museum has built a vast collection of, what are other words? A wide range of, or you can say a variety of contemporary arts. Only the name of the portrait, the Mona Lisa, looks ancient. All of its art characteristics are modern and contemporary. So only it was made, it was portrayed in earlier days, but its characteristics are modern and contemporary, are similar to that of these days. Okay, choreography. If you like dance or music, I don't need to explain you what is choreography, but there are some beginner intermediate level students in my course also. So choreography is a noun and the person who does this work is called choreographer. It means the art or practice of designing steps and movements. Steps, designing steps and movements in a staged dance, especially in ballet. Okay, this is called choreography. You can say a ballet choreographer, a jazz choreographer, or a hip hop choreographer. Example sentences: my mother is a passionate and innovative choreographer. Innovative, very good word, innovative, and innovative choreographer. John's choreography is considered innovative and ballet audiences really enjoy it. His choreography is considered innovative. You are not only learning choreography, learn this word innovative also. Innovative and ballet audiences really enjoy it. Masterpiece, an excellent word to describe a work of art, to talk about a work of art. Masterpiece is something that is excellent and best work of art. Leonardo's Mona Lisa is widely considered as a masterpiece. Okay, is famous, is very important. John's portrait is one of the greatest masterpieces of ancient Egyptian art. Okay, heritage. Heritage is a noun and its synonyms can be inheritance or legacy. Inheritance or legacy. When you are talking about arts, you can use this word also. It means traditions, languages, or buildings, or something similar, of a society that have continued over many years and is passed from one generation to another. This is called heritage. Heritage is not only buildings, this can be traditions, can be language. So all of these are heritage. Example sentences: the Great Wall of China has been designated, designated, a very good word, designated, as a world heritage since 11th century. London has an exceptionally rich heritage of historic buildings. Instead of saying describe your hometown, my hometown is London and it has historic buildings. What you what is my band score? 4 or 5? Maximum 5 or 5.5. If you say my hometown is London and it has exceptionally rich heritage of historic buildings. Look at this. If this student gets 7 or 8 band, don't become jealous because his language is very advanced. So learn the language thoroughly. Don't use tips and tricks on YouTube or Facebook groups. Okay, learn the language thoroughly. Don't waste your time on scattered materials. The Taj Mahal is a vital part of the cultural heritage of India. Okay, cultural heritage. This is a collocation. So please look at the description box for more updates and link to my Facebook group. My Facebook group is Free IELTS Preparation, and you will see monogram with Dr. Che. And subscribe, like, and comment to encourage me. Share with other students also. Please help the other students so they don't waste their time. All of things I have gathered in only one course. Okay, and I try to make it to the point and comprehensive. So subscribe and press the bell icon please for more courses on all of these topics. Thank you very much.